So now let's see Enhanced Play Protect in action. This short demo will show you exactly how it works to protect you automatically. So let's watch this. So somebody sends you a link, tells you to download an APK, and so you're like, okay, let me download the APK, let me load it on my phone, and okay, you try it, and then you'll install it, and then when you try to install it, the system will block it for you. So as you saw, Enhanced Play Protect helps people be safer online against dangerous side-loaded apps. So even if the user downloaded the app, Enhanced Play Protect will automatically block it for you. So how do we turn on this feature? By default, this feature is already turned on for every Android mobile device in the Philippines. So you can double check it now on the settings of your Google Play Store app.